Want to know how to log out of Dola AI? So if you want to switch accounts or change your personal information, you can just simply log out of Dola AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Dola AI website. So you can just simply hit towards dola.com and make sure you are logged in, and it should do something like this. So in order to log out, on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. Just like that. So once they've targeted, here you should be seeing settings. Just simply select that and your settings should open up. So here you should be seeing various settings about your profile, your language, and much more. So you can just simply scroll all the way down, and here you should be seeing log out right here. Just simply select that and then select log out again. And once confirmed, you should be automatically logged out of Dola AI just like this right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.